I think this one's, out of everything here, this one's pretty easy. Because Attack on Titan's great. Attack on Titan's probably gonna win. But I don't feel like I got the complete package with Attack on Titan because it's still ongoing, man. It's still ongoing, okay? Out of all of these that gave me the most complete experience, it's Cyberpunk Edgerunners. And I know I've voted for Cyberpunk Edgerunners a lot in this, but I've also voted for Attack on Titan a lot this. But out of everything, Cyberpunk Edgerunners just gave me the most complete experience. It's a story that's done. The ending made me fucking depressed as shit. And I still think episode 6 was the best singular episode of the year. So it's Cyberpunk Edgerunners for me.